Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. What we're looking at here is the bad exhaust valve on a 2016 Jeep Wrangler 3.6 liter. Less than 100,000 miles. Nice burnt, cracked valve there. And have a replacement head next to me and head gasket and so forth. Going to get that all bolted up here in the next day or two and take care of this young lady. Pretty sad, less than 100,000 miles, but she's been maintaining her engine well. Oil looks good. The head looks good, rocker, lifter, camshaft wise, which is a big problem on these engines. And so we're going to put some new rockers and lifters in, cams reusable, new head gasket, and put this all back together and get her taken care of. So thanks for watching.